Hello and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope my videos are of help to you. Do like and share them and also subscribe to the channel. In this video, I would be speaking about Infosys, India's large cap IT company, flagship IT company. But before I get into Infosys, let's have a look at what in Nifty did today, an update of what I've been speaking over the last few days on Nifty. Today was a roller coaster day. We had a good start, a positive start, and a run almost near to the first resistance of 17,400, which I was anticipating, we had a high of 325. And then after the Moderna CEO statement came on the virus, we saw a sharp sell-off in global markets that had an impact in our market also, and we closed at day's low. And if you go to see in the hourly, we were closing at around where from the 26th, we've been trying to save it on a closing basis movement. Now, going forward, in case the market continues to slip below 975, it could go down to 16,800 odd levels. So any crack below 16,800, if it were to happen, there are two things to remember out here. The first one is that the Monday low is a Ichimoku turn date one. And on closing basis, we don't want that to be broken on a closing basis. But from a short-term point of view, that is, suppose it gets hit in the first hour of the day, you can't afford to sit with that kind of a position till close of play. Then we could keep 16,650 as our hourly basis closing stop loss. So that would be 16,650 out here. The anything below that would mean danger. Then you can come back and wait for, if it it goes down and comes back, you can wait and see how it sustains above Monday's low, which is here we go, 16,782. So that's the crucial one. We don't want to see a close below that. And during the day, an hourly close below 16,650 could be signs of further weakness going down, because the gap didn't get covered on Monday. The gap still is open out here. So there's a possibility of that happening. Now, that takes care of the lower side support and resistance. And if this trend is turning or not issue. Now, for the upside, if the low is being held, and if we go by what Singapore is right now, trading at 17,125, which is approx 17,075 spot. In that case, the resistance building up in Nifty is now more close to 17,200, which was done today, 250, I would say, 17,250, then 375, and then 500 is what I would be looking for in this move right now. I'm not saying that 500 can be an interim top, but 500 is something which is very much looks like, if this low is held, can be achievable, which is the daily Kijun area. Now, and after that, I continue to hold my same view that if we hold these lows, December will be a range-bound month. It won't be anything spectacular at all. It could be, like in a close, narrow range. After this, the volatility should start calming down once the lows are defined and held properly. Now, let's have a look at what Infosys is suggesting in the charts. Now, Infosys had a sideways correction since October, since the time Nifty topped out mid-October. It's had a sideways correction. And unlike other stocks, and especially banking or auto, which were brutally hit in November, Infosys has been more calm in that nature. And in the hourly now, we can see that it's gone and cut and closed above the Kijun, which is a very important factor from Ichimoku point of view, and also given a bullish crossover out here. So both ways, good news from a turnaround point of view in Infosys. So Infosys could be the stock which could continue to show, this strength which has shown in the last 2 days, uh, provided it stops sustaining below 1685. 1685 would be a level which will be very crucial for it. As long as it holds above 1685, I look at a possibility of it covering this gap out here, which is at 750 rupees at least, and then a little bit more. So very early to suggest something like this, but there is a possibility that Infosys could be making a triangle in the coming days. Keeping in mind that the outlook of uh, December being a range bound one for stocks, we could have a move something like this. Uh, go all the way here, and again do a step down, and then give a bigger breakout. That's a sideways outlook. The bullish outlook is that it pierces above this level out here. Out here. It pierces above that level, then we would call it a solid breakout for the upside, which is at 1810. So right now, looking for a pullback to cover the gap near 1750 to 60, 1750, 60, as long as it's above 1685. So a small zone movement possible in Infosys in the coming days. Now, I would like to also inform those who are yet to be aware of it that I am doing a webinar on Ichimoku in the month of December. The sessions will be all held on the weekends, and they will be covering all aspects of Ichimoku in detail. And we would be having handhold discussions with the participants, and you can also clear your doubts, practice, and then go to the second level week on week basis. So it's a full detailed one. The link is there in the description below. All the details have been given there. So those interested can register for the webinar. Now, for a standard disclosure before I close the session, please consider this video on Infosys and on Nifty for educational purposes. This is not a trading advice from me. Kindly do your full research before taking a final decision. And please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you, and bye-bye, everyone.